Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw your Brave Rewards. Okay. So first off, make sure that you have Brave Rewards turned on right here. Okay. And after that, go ahead and click on Connect Account. Now you can go ahead and create a new Brave wallet or connect one of your Solana wallets. Okay. So just select this option, follow simple prompts, and once done, for example, here I have my Brave wallet connected. Okay. And do take note that your earned BAT or BAT will automatically be deposited into your Uphold or Gemini account. Okay. And as far as I know, it will be transferred in the 7th of each month. Okay. So here, as you can see from my Brave wallet, I can just go out and send my BAT to a regular crypto exchange like Coinbase or even Binance. Okay. Or if you want to as well, you could go ahead and swap your BAT into an Ethereum, Solana, or even Bitcoin. Now to do that, go ahead and click on swap right here. Okay, choose an asset. Make sure to select BAT or BAT. We have here basic attention token. Just click on it. Now click on continue. Now go ahead and choose an asset where you wanted to convert your BAT. For example, we have here Solana, Wormhole Bridge Sol. So just click on it, enter the amount of BAT, for example, 0.50. Now go ahead and view the conversion rate right here. And just click on convert. Now, once you have it converted, you can now go ahead and go to send right here in the left panel. Choose the asset, the new asset, which is the Solana asset. Choose the recipient, and it would be your crypto exchange. Okay. Just follow simple prompts, review the send, and finalize the sending process. And that's basically it. That is how you withdraw your Brave Rewards. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.